is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right now we are on our way to Euromotive Performance, and today we're going to be doing another modification on the car. Nothing really crazy. This is more for like preventive maintenance. A lot of you guys probably have already done this before, but what we're going to do today is change out the charge pipes. The OEM charge pipes we'll discuss later when we get to Euromotive Performance. They're plastic, so there is a slight possibility of it breaking during the operation of the car. It could happen when you're on load, when you're accelerating, and it actually did happen to me on my F30 when I had one. So when I had F30, I was I think it was stage 1 tune, nothing crazy, and I was doing a pull from first to second gear, and what happened was the charge pipe blew. It blew at the connector portion of the bottom end, and it left me in limp mode. I had no idea what was going on at the time. I didn't know they were plastic, but that was a lesson learned. As of right now, I haven't had any issues for the past maybe 2 years. Like I said, this is more for preventive maintenance and also more for aesthetics. So when we get there, we'll check out the charge pipes that I got, and we'll talk a little more about that. So I'll see you when we get to Euromotive Performance.
Trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
Alright guys, we're here at Euromotive Performance, and today we're going to be doing the charge pipes for the car. Something that you don't really need to do, but you should probably do just in case it does happen to blow. I know my F30, I mentioned earlier in the video that I had a mild tune to it. It was an active auto work tune, and while going on boost and on load, I was able to blow one of the charge pipes, which left me in limp mode. So today we're here to work on changing the stock charge pipes, which are plastic, and switching them over to RK Titanium Chargepipes. So we'll go inside and check it. So as you can see, these are the old charge pipes, and as you can see, these are plastic. So the tendency of this possibly blowing is slightly elevated. It's not a must to upgrade, but it does look good underneath the engine bay. You could pick different brands like RK Titanium, or you could pick Euromotive Performance. They actually have their own charge pipes. So Euromotive Performance has their own charge pipes, and they're just a little bit different. They have like a nice matted black kind of look to it, nice feel to it. It's really lightweight. Alright guys, just left Euromotive Performance on my way back home. Initial thoughts about the charge pipe insulation. Do I think it's something that's necessary? I think that's something that you should probably look into. Not necessary right away. I think, like I said earlier, it's something that could happen to you, and it's something that's preventative from leaving you stranded or leaving you in limp mode. So my initial thoughts on the RK Titanium charge pipes, is it worth the excess of $1,000? No, it's just more for looks, more for aesthetics. It does look great underneath the hood, and it kind of like has that really unique pattern to it. But then again, you could buy more cost-effective charge pipes like Euromotive Performances, and they'll paint it any color you need it to. They'll kind of go through that process. If you guys have any questions about that, or if you have any questions, I could direct it to that and kind of get them answered for you. But like I said, it's something that you could do, and there's more cost-effective charge pipes than the RK Titanium ones. I was lucky able to get a good deal on them. So alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching again. If you guys haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I got a few more mods coming up that I haven't installed yet, but stay tuned for that. Also, we're going to be coming out with more events throughout the United States with BMW Invasion. I'll be traveling with them, and all the nonsense will be captured on this camera. But I want to thank everyone that's been supporting this channel, and also BMW Invasion. It really means a lot to me. But besides that, I'll see you guys on the next one.